DHgate is a well-known platform for sourcing products directly from manufacturers and suppliers, offering a variety of items at wholesale prices. It's often a go-to option for dropshippers due to its competitive pricing, product variety, and the potential for customizing orders for your niche. Upon entering the website, you'll find an intuitive search bar, allowing users to navigate a vast catalog. Categories are clearly organized, making it easier to explore trending or niche-specific items. Keep an eye out for supplier ratings and buyer reviews, as they can provide key insights into product quality and shipping reliability. For beginners, navigating DHgate may seem overwhelming, but the platform offers tools like minimum order indicators and real-time chat with suppliers, which can help streamline your search. One standout feature is the ability to order samples before committing to larger purchases. While DHgate excels in affordability, users should be cautious about verifying supplier authenticity and product descriptions to avoid potential pitfalls, like counterfeit items. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Another highlight of DHgate is its integrated buyer protection system, which adds a layer of security to transactions. Payments are held in escrow until the buyer confirms satisfactory delivery. This is the crucial feature for reducing risk, especially for bulk orders. However, shipping times can vary widely depending on the supplier and destination, so it's vital to set realistic expectations for delivery timelines. If you're aiming to boost your dropshipping business, DHgate can be a powerful ally, provided you research thoroughly and utilize its tools effectively. Don't forget to explore their app, which offers an optimized shopping experience on the go. Subscribe to the channel and smash the like button for more valuable tips and tricks about e-commerce and dropshipping.